Hi guys, welcome to homemade cooking underscore shady. Yes, welcome to my page, welcome to my channel. Please, if you're just joining my page, please kindly comment, kindly like, kindly subscribe. Please, your comment, your subscription keep me going. So first thing first, we are going to prepare a dough. So we are baking bread, yes. But first thing we are going to do, we are preparing a dough. And what are the things we had? We mixed together. We have a flour, the yeast, milk powder, sugar, salt, and I added more water just now. So the next thing is I'm going to add butter. Yes, so we are going to cover it again to mix together. And before we know it, our dough is ready. Yes, it is ready. And once it is ready, we are going to put it in a bowl with a grease. We're going to grease the bowl with vegetable oil, then we cover it. Yes. And please guys, comment on my page. I love homemade baking. Yes, I love homemade baking. Yes. Most times I bake my bread myself. Yes. Have you ever done that before, tried that before? I love baking my bread myself. Yes, because it doesn't take time, it doesn't take much of my time. And most times I always have all the ingredients. I have them in advance. Yes, I used to buy them in advance because definitely I will bake bread maybe once or twice in that week. I'm going to do that. Yes, so I bake my bread myself. Anything that goes to my tummy, I'm always careful. Yes, I'm always careful with what I put in my tummy. Most times I don't like eating outside, but I eat outside once in a while. Yes, at times enjoy other people to cook for you, but when it becomes an habit, that is what I don't really buy. Yes. So guys, let's proceed. So our dough is ready. So we are going to portion it. We are going to cut it. Yeah, we are going to portion it and put it in the baking pan. Yes, and leave it for 20 minutes. I use 20 minutes. Yeah. Yes, guys, can you wait for my next video? Yes, I'm going to post my next video. Yes guys, I love you guys, and thank you for your support. Thank you for your encouragement. I really appreciate. Yes, please stay tuned for this video. This video is almost done. Yes, it's almost done. Thank you guys.